crew, welcome to Milan. I have been here probably 30 times, but one of the things I've never done is gone to the Duomo and gone up to the top of it. So I'm gonna head down there right now and go check it out. Alright, just made it to the Duomo. I learned earlier today that this is the largest church in Italy and the 5th largest church in the world. Excited to go check it out. Just got to the top. Wow. This is pretty cool. Man, this is so pretty. Just to hang out up here, there's really not that many people. And you can see the Alps in the background, and I'm kind of surprised I haven't been up here yet. Having been here so many times that you'd think I would have done that, but as you have probably figured out, I try to not do what everybody else does, and this seems like one of those things that everybody else does, but sometimes it's okay to do that stuff. I just heard someone say, oh, this is once in a lifetime picture. I was like, yeah, it is a once in a lifetime picture for most people, and I'm just super fortunate to have it be like a monthly thing that I could do if I wanted to. So yeah, I'm super fortunate to be here. This is neat. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. Have an awesome day. See you guys.